Go give Chantau to the correct father. That if you go do, cause the amount of people will grind you in a group, you don't know who breed you. Your daughter have many last names, she name out of many one people. Cause remember it's a family breed you. And that if you go work out before Chantau click start advertise out the road. The time Rosalie tell me for suck Chantau, I want Chantau bust a split over Akeem K9. And that I want you to bust a split over your stepfather K9 and make him inject your crutches with your know yasa. Yeah? Nothing more. I don't eat crutches. Akeem alone and play straight. I never come on the internet yet and play straight. So go split over your stepfather. Remember someone like that show to no all in a family. Go make Akeem taste so underneath the taste because him eat mommy. Yeah, come about me, no come about me. Yeah? Don't come about me. You keep, Stunner, you keep asking why would she state that about her daughter? Why would she state that about her daughter? Stunner, go in your church. Go in your church, man, you irritate me. You go like Rosalie did come in a chapel cap with Bible underneath her arm. Go on, man. You know, she say dirty people, where not going? Why would she say that about her daughter? Why would she say, go on, man? Yeah, irritate my girl. Yeah, irritate me. You go like Rosalie and nobody and Chantau anything. No, but a long time you ask this and you go like a lie me a tell upon the child. The child, she said so. We urge Rosalie, make Rosalie come across, and because the FYP is stating what I've stated before, that the daughter is too grown, and that bun Rosalie. And that hurt her, not more than hurt her. Remember, she used the daughter as props yesterday for cuss the father and for mess up people FYP. And that hurt her, nothing else not hurt her. And that's why she said, I must skin out Chantau all, Chantau clit and suck it. When Chantau clit has been going to the clinic over and over, the little girl not stop catch infection. Yeah. Chantau pum pum a twitch like raw wire in it. Me not ask you, Chantau little all a twitch from Shebada 9. Oh. From Shebada 9 a little all the yeah. So no come, you no always a come attack. I only can go for what them say. And I eat me though. It's just that I play the part better. So when I say, a child is a child. You hear the FYP attack, so your daughter is too grown and you're still a chore in a grown folks conversation. You still a tell people to come suck your daughter. I don't want to suck your daughter when the uncle don't suck it. The uncle don't suck out Chantau memory and Chantau adulthood. Oh. And then me if I tell you for suck it, direct Chantau crashes to who always a lick it. It's not far in the family. Yeah. So why when me talk now is a problem? Remember not justice, I come over here for looking at me a diamond. Me not come for look justice. Oh, I come for just state my peace. Yeah. Yeah, only when me a class her age is a problem. So Rosalie never remember say her daughter 11 when she tell me if I come suck it. What can I advertise your daughter crutches when sea view people them no want it? Eh? When your daughter have all a drop out in a sea view like it work with manpower, Chantau little clip supposed to look like push broom. Chantau clip supposed to look like push broom. Remember asphalt there for your daughter all. Asphalt in your daughter crutches. Remember your daughter piss pebbles. Remember she's pissing pebbles. Not my fault. Yeah. Not my fault, my baby. If I me like you, must stop by Chantau vitamins and start by your contraceptive. Make sure eat it like rice and take each one a morning time like vitamins. If I even like the woman centrum one a day, me da give it to her. Don't come by me. Don't come by me cause when me a rubber dub. Yeah. When me and rubber dub, don't come about me, my love. Me tell you already, don't bring your daughter to me, because the last time you tell me saying you're gonna make Chantau come class me. And that you tell me say my phone skin over Chantau clit and suck it. And you come back again today, me never gonna make you pass, Rosalie. Me never gonna make you pass. Remember Laverne give away and you give a Chantau crutches. Oh. Remember Laverne gave you away with navel string in her hole and pan your belly. I know you are give a Chantau crutches to the uncle, but me want you give to Akim. I make Akim near mouth Chantau hole, and that me want you do. She have a stepfather where I try to prove to the world say him straight. Make him straight him face underneath Chantau. That me want you do. Don't bring your daughter crutches when you know I cocky myself. Don't bring no female to my mouth. You're out of order. Don't interrupt my stomach. Remember we not cussing, so me know why you think say me a cuss. Me know why you think say me a cuss, yeah? So don't feel bad about what me I say. Come by reason why reason. Yeah. A reason why reason you just to get everybody answer. You know some words them chap. You know some words them chap. And you come but you never gonna get your fat. You never did go get you from me this evening. This evening is the evening when me never gonna let you out, never gonna let you out of the hook. And the second time you bring your daughter to me, you bring your daughter crutches, a matter of fact, to me. Now Roasealee Chica, I come and tell me about my first skin over Chantau clit and suck it. And I want Akim leave him K9 pan her hole. And that me want Chantau sit down in a Akim face and wind up. She can't get him lips, she wind up him nose. Anything him can lick him sniff. And that me want. Don't bring her to me again. The next time you bring her to me, I'm coming for her again. And again, as much as you bring your daughter to me, I'm coming for her. Bring the anything, come give me my baby. Please, and the cranberry. I reason. It's sweet, the whole on the big crutches, girl. When she sit down on live and I use her daughter all as props for cuss people. You can use your daughter crutches as props for cuss people. Then when you go do navigate around Chantau bad hole. No, me love. No, me love. Me go acknowledge it. Me not navigate around it. And you bring your daughter crutches. So allow me make me deal with it. Leave me make me deal with it. Me never navigate around it. You murder. Remember your dirty mother, you know. Remember your dirty mother, you know better. Your daughter is a dirty infected baby. Always remember that. Your daughter is a dirty, infected baby. Me never did I go around it. After me not so disciplined. Me not so disciplined. You must be mad. You want sound hot for your life. So me I make you sound hot. You must me never do understand you take a little bit of that apart. Me tell me want to pin over a team face and me tell him out of hole with him K9. And that me want him to out of Chantau hole since you can't get it. Yeah, me never gonna miss it, you brother. Are you bring your daughter crutches in a Rosalie, you know long me sit down on the life and hold back my mouth. Come on one wheel up on the little girl like a tampon, you know. And me just hold my mouth so come I know you were coming. I knew you were coming. You're easy for read. You're coming like the ABC book where Kingston bookshop sell. Capital A, command A. Capital B, command B. Capital C, command. You're coming like that book there. You're easy for read. I knew you were coming. I knew you were coming. Then you think me never know? Then you think me an idiot? Some of the people that talk about that's a child. Chantau ain't a child. Tell Rosalie to send out the one view where that has skin out her bad hole and a send go give a little boyfriend. Yeah. Tell her, send out the one view where Shanta skin out her hole and a send go give man. Shanta right now a Billa only fan. She a Billa only fan. And from she a skin out and a send go give man. Come now, Rosalie, what reason? Remember we now course. I invited to a drink. Remember we now course. Your daughter work on her only fan. Oh, send out the one view. Send out the one view, and she alone I tell boy how she can deep throat cocky by sucking a banana and I send it out. Come now, man, Rosalie. We know about your baby oil. We know about your pocket rocket. We know about your baby oil. Mr. Shanta, if we go back to school in September, she will visit the clinic. Yes, Shanta for enroll in one clinic. And that we are talking about. You see, no for on upon this. Remember when Rosalie talks to one man with the name data mouth? You don't remember the one there? Meaning if the man name English or England or London or foreign. I don't remember what the man name, but no for no remember that. That's why it's easy for dash or that, especially dash or data in a grown conversation. Remember, after Rosalie picked them on the preps. English, the man name. Okay. In name war Cananto, I don't know, are so much people. Yeah. Remember, so when she get it, she will take it. Remember me, she should never come by me. Should never come by me. Number one, me not sit down on yourself wait for 60 galaxy. Remember, so when the whole I wanna get antsy, come suck me. Please and thank you. Come and eat me because my old tighter than Chantau own. Oh, my old tighter than Chantau own and she's 11, young and done, just like her mom. So wait, and again, let me reiterate this. Let me just push in this. You see, when next you want to tell me to skin over Chantau own and suck it, make Akim leave him K9 in it and then I will eat it. Yeah? Make Akim leave him K9 in it and then I will eat it. Always remember that. Yeah, Rosalie? Oh. Cause since you want proof to say Akim straight, make Chantau bust the boy out. Yeah, just like how she bust her uncle, make she bust the boy out. So what you say? Make it make sense. Especially when it comes to you, Rosalie. Yeah? Come here in a talk about say, out to Nessa Bling in about, and when Shebada I bring you down, I never bring down Nessa Bling. I never bring down Nessa Bling. I never class Nessa Bling. Get your argument then straight. Get your argument straight. Chantau all wide like the part in your ear. Get your argument straight. Yeah, me I talk about the royal daughter because I pay royalty them doing in the family. Oh, remember the same group of family we grind the mother and the same group I grind the daughter. Come now man, the whole away a reason. Remember the same cocky which Rosalie did take back in the day. I eat Chantau take, I eat Lammy take and I eat Chantau take to the day. Come now man, you know sister, we are soldiers in the army. We have to fight. Oh, we have to, you know sister that. From mother to auntie to daughter. You know sister that. See there, all the granny take it. So you know sister generation all them have. Them have ancestor crutches. Wanna see it? And then Rosalie really want to size up herself. Move! You're too out of order. Don't use your fat and try to fry me. But tell you say you like to deflect and project. You like to project your insecurities on others. Me not steal them with them love. Remember you come out and you say your sister eat her anti-crutches, Rosalie. Remember you came out and said lamb yama anti-crutches. Remember? We have a family thing going on. Yeah, me leave out the grandmother. So now so comes the grandmother catch AIDS. Remember Rosalie used to go collect the grandmother pill? I want some for cover shade. Oh. Yeah, we'll land the people. Tell them to say everything I'm to them in their family and that them come around come cause people, you know. Yeah, them have a family business with them crutches. They got a family business going on in Seaview with them all. Yeah. And then she want to come about me. She want to come about me. Rosalie, you should never bring Chantau crutches to me. Next time I know you're going to keep the little girl crutches when me and you catch up. I know this time you're going to keep the little girl crutches out of it when me and you catch up. Because when I open my mouth in a Rosalie, it sound really bad, you know. Oh, see that them say Laverne lammy crutches. When I look at me tell you say at the nastiest set of family they must see you and none of them believe me. Time will tell. Yeah. Yes. Time will tell. Time will tell. See the Laverne lammy crutches. Time will tell. Me tell you say no for no walk I swear for shit. Move the man, remember me now cause. Now cause me feel good and little girl. The lady come to me with her daughter, me I diagnose her daughter cause she don't know where her daughter have, so me I tell her. Yeah. And it not sit well with no power, no come suck me. Come laba juice, me come ring out my batty juice in one shot glass and feed Chantau. Ah, give it them. We just have to work. I eat hurt her. I eat hurt her through the FYP attacks that Chantau is not a child. And these are the same reasons why Chantau cannot be a child. Because when the mother cause her skin out the daughter crutches and I advertise it to people. So the little girl now have no time to be a child. So she's fast grown. So guess what? I'm going to deal with her as an adult because you bring her as a prop. We can't in an argument and a skip age. Want a girl? You want to be an adult? Hood. Want a man? All the way an adulthood. And you bring your daughter crutches, Rosalie, it's not me. I never go up under Chantau. It's not me. It's you, some of a skin over your daughter clit and suck it. It's not me. It's you bring her crutches to me and me I bring Akim out to her all. So now I bring things for the picnic. I bring things for the picnic. You give me a data crutches and me I give to Akim all, Akim out. Nothing wrong with that. Him have him K9 one stabbing at things. So make him eat Chantau before me, please, since he's closest. Since he's closest to Chantau, make him eat her first. A potluck, yeah, for sure. Make him eat her first. After him eat her, I see how the K9 work, then me do it. Yeah. So me not say nothing bad. I true me say come with too much pepper light. I am Merry Christmas. Yeah. I true me say come with too much pepper light. I don't say nothing bad all I know. Make him taste it first. Una know like keep on a business in the family. Una know a family take on a hymen. Una know a family broke on a virginity. Why you want to do that? Why you want to push it out the road? Yeah, red light, green light, pepper light. Then pepper spray Chantau all. Yes. Make Akim name out Chantau all before me come. Put me last on the list, my baby. Cause you know me not so hippity appity. Where's the crutches? Me not hippity appity pamponi. You need more than a day to worry with a child. No, but Jody B, talk truth. If you want to address me, based on how everybody sip on the FYP when me always talk about come to fruition. If you want to address me, why you tell me for skin over your little baby or infected crutches and suck it? Why? Why? Then that sound good? Then nothing when me I say not supposed to sit well with nobody then. Nothing that I'm saying should fit well. Nothing. Yeah? Not one early thing that I'm saying should sit well with them. Tell me the truth. Your daughter will catch infection from she's 9. From she's 9-year-old. She'll catch infection. And boy, you buy school uniform. Go buy a nursing outfit because she need a clinic. But they right here so me I come. May I take 2 of her she. Remember the uncle them sleep with at night time. Remember it's the uncle them sleep with at night time. Come now Rose. The little girl want people so she sing over the toilet and just the uncle mouth water drop out her. And just the uncle mouth water drop out her. Wanna? Now what you are so-called father for ease her off a man. And worse a period that take her. Yeah, so what happened to that? The girl want body. Chantau want more wood for her hole. Then you go like your daughter a virgin. Come the man. And one virgin pick me up in a barber. Chantau do road like a robot taxi. Her little crutches coming like a chappy. Come the man. Oh, you know they get to know what chappy mean. Yeah. Remember, your daughter not stop get feel up in a open land. Come the man Rosalie. She can't escape fingers and body, you know. Remember I talk with narcos. Come in the one catch gaita. Yeah. I mean, it's a big throat to go around. Ask under your neck. With narcos. Just the reason why we're here. Reason why we're here, right there, we're not scared. We're not cause. It sounds bad when me say it, but you go like you can't wrap up girl too much. I want when you see me, you duck as much as how you can bend. I want you duck when you see me, duck. We're not cause. Joseph Cave, what? So when everybody come, oh that's a child without virginity. Excuse me, I want to pass. Where you go? I want to pass my GSAT, my PEP, my common entrance. Somewhere reason though, Rosalie. You would never cuss me and tell me about Chantau crutches again. Because anytime you bring Chantau old to me, I bring Akim out to it. Because when I know a cocky me name, when I know me not eat body too, out to other Rosalie. Give me where my mouth deserve. Give me the wood. Yeah. Oh, you mean stop it, leave the people them alone. You can use your tongue and wipe out my bottom, please. Can you use your tongue and wipe out my body, oh please? I'm asking you a favor, just a favor. I'm not begging a gift. I want you send the lion when your mouth in my bottom. I want your mouth go underneath me. Please and thank you, you're welcome. Yeah? Okay. Until the week just started, I have done it with Chantau crutches. Yeah. Me I done it. Cause them know me not eat clit. And she advertise her daughter clit to me and Akim want play straight man pan the app. Go make Akim suck it. Good God Almighty man. Help out your man sexuality. Go make Akim name it. You're too old for him, so try she. You're too old for him, try Chantau. If him can't lick it, him can't sniff it. Make him do something with him face underneath your daughter. Yeah. Rosie. Rosie, you heard me? Way over there. No, them always come and tell me to stop Nikki Z, right? Like them not hear where Rosalie said. That's why I not listen to them. Me not listen to them because when Rosalie I chat them in the IQ the pie, I do the yes girl, defend your daughter. So me not have to defend Jai daughter cause Jai not there. Me have to defend Jai daughter, my love. Yeah. So just like how Rosalie I defend her daughter, me I defend Jai daughter. Oh sure. Oh you have to defend Jai daughter. Yeah. Italian go and go beard na man. Go and go beard na man. I what do know. Come up for this and go beard Italian. Go and go beard man. Yeah. Yeah, me have to defend Jai daughter. So no, but sister, we not lie. Yeah, come with your daughter rotten old to me. And you know, so your daughter nearly rotten up from underneath her from she about 9. And she had the first baby me see her eat canistine when she should have inserted it or wipe it underneath her. Come now, man. Yeah, go like it's not a baby germs you have. Stop. Stop. They think say you can sit down on the app and class everybody, Rosalie. Me hear you tell a lie about me did one plan with Jaden for bring you down. Rosalie, me never want bring down you no time at all because for me know you never up yet. So how me could have planned with all Jaden for bring you down and you spit in a juice give him. Him have your DNA in him belly. Wanna man, you just lie. You just lie and like play a victim. Wanna? Then you think me can go with Jaden for bring down you and me not even look friend on the app? Yeah, go let me treat share with tissue. Me treat share with newspaper. So me never come here for bring down a friend. A Jaden and you are brethren, you know, cause him have your DNA walk with the name belly. Remember you spitting a things game. You appear like you sit down on the app and tell. You come out today and say, me, class, and bring down Nessa Bling. Which part of me bring down Nessa Bling? Which part of me bring down Nessa Bling, liar Rosalie? You're too lie, man. Go skin over your daughter crutches pan Akeem K9. You're too lie. You just sit down and play a victim all day long. Oh, you do it. No, Jordy, you so she lie. You so she lie and wicked like me could have team up with Jaden. Me could have team up with Jaden? Never. And me alone, this is one girl against the world. And me alone, me don't need nobody to help me argue. Me don't need nobody to help me argue. So me don't know what you say. Put us, you get it wrong and stop walk and tell lie. You get it wrong, my baby. I mean never lose yet, thank you. Never lose yet when me alone sit down. It hurts you to you go up on the FYP and you see everybody attack all your germsy data, your little data with a bad belly, Your little 11-year-old daughter with a bad belly. You see everybody attacks her, she's too grown. Remember never me tell you say you left your hand up under your stinking mother, which is our granny, you know. And she tell you say you left your hand up in a laverne. And never me. Remember never me walk and tell you Sunday say you walk on mine, man. Remember is your daughter where you and her share cocky from out of the family. The same man will do you and him a touch up she. Always remember, I am mate you there with, I am mate you live with, I am mate you did a reason with. Remember Shanta is your mate. Oh, always remember that. You and Shanta come up for the same dick. Sorry. Always remember. Always remember. It's not me. Yeah. It's not me, my baby. Address all of them something because you go like in the ear your daughter rap you and not flap you. You go like in the ear your daughter class you. Was it one a man? But want peace and tranquility. Never me. The FYP burn you so you come and tell us a little bit of bad mind. I never me. She knows her daughter crutches a scrap metal. Everybody in a sea view know say Chantau walk a suck or not take feel up her cocky. Everybody in a sea view know. Everybody. Oh, half a man Jakes go lift her up. Half a man. And that's why she come across Muta. Half a man Jakes go lift her up. Jakes never video that, but him video everything else and come cuss. He never video that. And at the same time, them say I'm gonna take her phone, could he touch it? You must be crazy. Oh, the little girl too big. That's why Roasealee can advertise her crutches to the world. A bad hole. Yeah. Remember say Chantau people thick like Akeem blood. Always remember that. Don't come home, please. Please and thank you. And when me talk, everybody drop in them shell and say, oh my God, this boy is so disgusting. And she advertised her daughter crutches. Oh. Exactly, Muta. You have your receipt. Everybody knows the Chantau a sea view mattress from a tender age. Nobody want to lay down on that dog mat. Nobody want to lay down on that dog mat. Me say if in a mind shop she have chukums and your mouth are all. Yeah, them nasty. Them are nasty people. And none of them believe me. None of them say Muta, they ask Muta. Roasealee, them nasty. And when me say nasty, me not talk about, you know, part-time nasty, a piece of nasty. Them nasty. I just come to Jamaica. When you think I lie, me I tell you now. When you think I lie, me I tell. It's a nasty set of dirty family them. It can't get no better. It cannot get any better. Roasealee can't get nobody, so she have to take away the nearer. Then you can imagine the mother lick down the family, the grand lick down the family, the auntie lick down the family, I know the daughter try out the family. Kudos to owning none on your business. Yeah. Quiet on the creek. And yeah, come. Totally, you can't say nobody hungry because see the lady where used to feed your picnic them. You can't say nobody hungry. Never you buy the hand feed your Roasealee. Never you throw stone behind you. It better you build wall. See there, you can't say nobody hungry. Enough time Akeem have in the house, him not come for your max, not ready for go buy nothing. Roasealee, you have to hold it like a jailers, you have to hold it like a G. So you'll go like you graduate from hunger. You're not graduate from hunger, you're the next door it. Yeah, you're the next door hunger. You can't say nobody hungry, you're in a position to tell nobody say them hungry. Me not even nobody contest you upon that. The other day you cook some food, it favor like a chukums you feed. Your rice coming like it mixed with puppy chow. Roasealee go learn to do things. Go and learn to do things, you can't even fall. Go learn to do things, Roasealee. Where you come about, you God bless what go and good all. Eh? Other day you cook some food, it favor baby vomit. It favor baby vomit and you come attack. Nobody deflect, nobody project. Do me a beg you, my baby. Stick to your orders and stand up in your lane. Oh, cause you alone reach on a big 60 galaxy. How you work out your wealth. And that me want to know. How you work out your wealth. Go give Chantau to the correct father. That if you go do. Cause the amount of people will grind you in a group, you don't know who breed you. Your daughter have many last names. She name out of many one people. Cause remember it's a family breed you. And that if you go work out before Chantau click start advertise out the road. Yeah, and that if you go work out, my baby. Yeah, you don't know who is Chantau father. Your daughter grew without a dad. Make her work out that. Yeah, a whole heap of people. Remember group 6 you do, you know? It's a group belly you carry. Chantau should have named Choir. Her last name should have named Choir. Yeah, see the choir girl there. Why you call her Choir? Because her mother don't know her father. It's a group they breed her. Yeah. Yeah, then I ask you, Roasealee not come about me. Yeah, it's a group project for sure. Yeah, so before you want Chantau with something, dear daddy, Give her a daddy, cause if she can't find her daughter by now and later, she have to go relax by Akeem K9. Yeah, my love. Yeah. Of course, Taya, God bless Rosalie says. And that's why the little girl said miserable. Alicia, big up yourself. My mouth bad after my narcos them. Rosalie, them and nobody, you know. Yeah. We go to watch a show named Family Matters. For them pum pum coming like pillar case. Yeah. Discover, say a time for plug out. Well, maybe me have to just put it on the catch right here, so now. Maybe me have to just put it on the catch right here, so Rosalie, like our time for plug out now, me go beg you, my baby. You see when next me and you argue. Yeah, me just a reason. Thank you, Muta. Me just a reason, yeah. So you see when next me and you argue, now Rosalie, don't bring your daughter crutches in the argument. Cause you know me I gonna wrap it up and kick it in a Akeem mouth. Yeah. Don't bring your daughter crutches. You come with your bad word, come argue with me. It better you tell me set a skin out where you not have a socket. Cause me da laughing like me da say, Lord, she beg me find it. Yeah. Me have to go down a Princess Street and now or south. Yeah, but next time when me and you argue, don't bring your daughter bad word to me. Yeah. Do not. And take my foolish advice. Never you bring your daughter in another argument here with me. So just that me I tell you. Of course me the last in our all. But you know nothing try nothing done cause Christopher Columbus did travel the seas. While we are traveling the air. You understand me? And him did return to England, you know, so there is hope in history. There is hope in history. You know my baby. There is hope. No, for sure. So when she's still, true share, when she's still gonna beat her chest and go on the most way, I don't have to do that because when me I spit her logics, and logics me I spit, always I tell them, them are the simply please, big up yourself, my baby. Lord, you send me through me. You know, not very disrespectful to me. You come like too cute, too sweet, you know, not very disrespectful to me, you know. It's a passionate discussion for true AI. Yeah? Mouldn't find nothing because them not have no belly bottom. The whole of them drop out of a family without tightness, without gumption. Yeah? But when next again she ready, don't bring Chantau. She's a child. And if you bring the child come, you gotta treat it like an adult. Don't bring Chantau to me, Rosalie. Yeah? Don't bring Chantau to me. Yeah, my baby. Okay, Aye by Mary J. Blige. Hey, this woman you're in a Chantau all. Peace, I'm out. Yeah, peace, I'm out. This woman you're in a Chantau all now. Yeah, keep your daughter out of the argument. If you come for me, come alone. Keep your daughter out of the argument. Because the next time you tell me for something, I want to say Akeem K9 for now all. Okay. Aye. By Mary J. Blige. People my love on the stabless, keep sweet, live, laugh and love. Put that before everything and everyone. Big up on a nice, clean, stay good self.